80 पीपल। हम दोनों की सुबह से उस प्लॉट के ऊपर भी नजर है, इंशाअल्लाह अगले साल दोनों प्लॉट अपने होंगे। Then I want to thank ये जो यूनिक एक्सपेरिमेंट आप लोगों ने देखा, हिंदी नाम, योर लोकल एड्रेस एंड इंडिया एड्रेस, ऑल थैंक्स टू मिस्टर पंकज गुप्ता। एक एक नाम को इतना पेंसटेकिंगली, और मेरे ख्याल से शायद ही किसी नाम में कोई गलती हुई होगी, टू द बेस्ट ऑफ एबिलिटी। ग्रेट थैंक्स टू पंकज।
नहीं है, कोई बोला नहीं अभी तक।
सुबह से अविनाश जी के साथ में श्री राजेश मित्तल। Where's Rajesh? Every step of the way for the poha and some of the imported save from Indore has just come with Rajesh. We have been having our conference calls where Rajesh was in Indore, Rajiv Goyal was in California, Rakesh he was actually in Hong Kong, and he was replying to emails from there कि मैंने चंद्रकांत जी पटेल से बात की है. So he actually called him from Hong Kong to fix it up. So this is the level of effort. इसके बाद नवनीत त्रिवेदी, where's Navneet? Yeah, there's Navneet. So Navneet has been part of our team right from beginning. और जो लास्ट आइटम काकानी जी की इच्छा की तरबूज है वो नवनीत जी लेके आए। और प्याज इन्होंने काटे, yes. जितना साल भर में कोई नहीं रोता उतने यार सुबह से रो लिया। Now there is one more important person who was not part of our core team in the beginning, but really played a tremendous role, Nipun Joshi. Tasted the food of Patel Saab and gave us a detailed report, and that's how we finalized. He came here at 9:30 in the night to give us the right GPS location. So if you got the right GPS location, it was because of Nipun who came here. His father is actually Rakesh's brother, friend, and he's also here. So big thanks to Nipun. Some others who also played an important role. Suresh Bhai Kazi, who actually located Mr. Patel. दोपहर में एक दिन 2 बजे फोन आया, सुरेश भाई ये नंबर नोट करें, एक पटेल साहब है और इनके यहाँ लिखा हुआ है कि दाल बाटी बनती है। Thanks to Mr. Ajay Pandit, he is son of Sharad Ji Pandit, who was a famous photographer, for doing the photography duty today. Also to Umesh Bhatia, there's Umesh, for getting the kachori. So Umesh found the kachori person, got the kachoris here. And to Mrs. Dheeraj Bansal for organizing the kids activities. So all the face paint and everything you see is because of her. Also, we are going to have a game around Madhya Pradesh just after this. That is thanks to the Madhya Pradesh chapter of Houston. So they have been doing this for 15 years. It's called MP Mitra Mandal, and the key organizer there is a guy called Nikhil Jain. So they have sent us a game which we will now play after this one. It's very interesting around Madhya Pradesh. So thanks to that. One important thing that I want to mention is that you saw the names of all the people that I just said. Unfortunately and fortunately, they are just the jacks. Now we want the queens of our lives to participate in this. And the kings who are our children. So as you noted, all the 11 were the jacks. So whatever best the jacks could do, we did. But jacks ultimately are jacks, right? They are neither queens nor kings. So next year onwards, we want that the queens and the kings, which are the children, take up forward and bring this to a next level. And you know, it's very great that we had 10, 11 people in the committee to take this forward. And now with the ladies having met each other, the children having met each other, hopefully we can take it forward, much forward. What we will do is, you know, incidentally it so happened this week, we have at Mithas, Mr. Pankaj Gupta noted, they are doing a Indori food festival in this week itself, just by chance. Actually, Indori food festival in Mithas. Yeah. I sent the pictures to some of the people if you saw. And from today we started in New Brunswick. We actually had the Hindi, what is it called, Hindi conference recently in Madhya Pradesh. And you know, Mr. Kailash Satyarthi from MP is also visiting New York next week. So a lot of things around MP are happening, but really by the grace of God and the weather and everybody showing up, this has turned out to be an extremely successful thing. And again, the show is just started. अभी तक आपने सिर्फ बयाना पेमेंट किया है, पंकज जी किसी को जाने नहीं देंगे। Okay, so what I want to do is before we get into the games, because most of the people here are meeting